10 mind-blowing facts about criminal psychology. Criminal psychology is a fascinating field that seeks to understand the motives, behaviors, and thought processes of individuals who engage in criminal activities. This branch of psychology provides valuable insights into the complexities of the human mind and how it can be shaped by various environmental, social, and psychological factors. This video delves into 10 mind-blowing facts about criminal psychology, exploring how these intriguing discoveries have shaped our understanding of criminal behavior and the development of the criminal mind. 1. Criminals are not always psychopaths. One common misconception is that all criminals are psychopaths. While psychopathy is a personality disorder characterized by a lack of empathy, remorse, and impulse control, not all criminals meet the criteria for this diagnosis. In fact, studies suggest that only about 15 to 25% of incarcerated individuals are psychopaths. The majority of criminals do not exhibit the traits associated with psychopathy, and their criminal behavior is driven by other psychological, social, and economic factors. 2. The role of childhood trauma. Research has shown that there is a strong correlation between childhood trauma and the development of criminal behavior in adulthood. Individuals who experience physical, emotional, or sexual abuse during their formative years are at a higher risk of engaging in criminal activities later in life. Childhood trauma can lead to a range of psychological issues, including depression, anxiety, and substance abuse, which can contribute to criminal behavior. Addressing these early life experiences through therapy and intervention programs may help reduce the risk of criminal activity. 3. Social learning theory and criminal behavior. The social learning theory, proposed by Albert Bandura, suggests that individuals learn behaviors through observation and imitation of others. This theory has been applied to criminal psychology, arguing that individuals can develop criminal tendencies by observing and imitating the actions of others around them. For example, if a person grows up in an environment where criminal behavior is normalized, they are more likely to adopt similar behaviors themselves. This highlights the importance of positive role models and the development of prosocial behaviors in at-risk individuals. 4. Criminal profiling and its limitations. Criminal profiling is a widely recognized technique used by law enforcement agencies to narrow down suspects in criminal investigations. Profilers analyze the characteristics of the crime scene and the behavior of the offender to develop a profile of the likely perpetrator. While criminal profiling has been popularized through TV shows and movies, it is important to note that it is not an exact science. Profiling can sometimes lead investigators down the wrong path, as it is based on assumptions and generalizations. As a result, it should be used cautiously and in conjunction with other investigative methods. 5. The neuroscience of criminal behavior. Advancements in neuroscience have allowed researchers to gain a deeper understanding of the neurological factors that contribute to criminal behavior. Studies have shown that individuals with a history of criminal activity often exhibit abnormalities in brain structure and function. For example, research has revealed that violent offenders have reduced activity in the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for regulating emotions and impulse control. While these findings do not excuse criminal behavior, they shed light on the complex interplay between biology, environment, and criminality. 6. The influence of substance abuse. Substance abuse is a significant factor in the development of criminal behavior. Research has shown that a substantial proportion of criminal offenses are committed under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Substance abuse can impair judgment, increase impulsivity, and reduce inhibitions, leading individuals to engage in criminal acts they may not have committed otherwise. Furthermore, addiction can drive individuals to commit crimes to support their habit, such as theft or drug trafficking. 7. The cycle of recidivism. Recidivism, or the tendency for individuals to reoffend after being released from incarceration, is a persistent problem in the criminal justice system. Studies have shown that approximately 2/3 of released prisoners are rearrested within 3 years. This highlights the need for effective rehabilitation and reintegration programs to address the underlying issues that contribute to recidivism. Factors that increase the likelihood of reoffending include a lack of education, unemployment, and limited access to mental health and substance abuse treatment. By addressing these issues, it may be possible to break the cycle of recidivism and reduce crime rates. 8. The importance of mental health in criminal behavior. Mental health plays a significant role in criminal behavior, with research suggesting that individuals with mental health disorders are overrepresented in the criminal justice system. Conditions such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and personality disorders can increase the likelihood of engaging in criminal activities. This may be due to impaired decision-making, impulse control, or a lack of understanding of social norms. Ensuring access to appropriate mental health treatment and support can play a crucial role in reducing criminal behavior among individuals with mental health disorders. 9. The bystander effect and criminal behavior. The bystander effect is a psychological phenomenon in which individuals are less likely to intervene in an emergency situation when there are other people present. This effect can also be observed in criminal behavior, as individuals may be more likely to engage in criminal activities when they believe they are anonymous or that others will not intervene. For example, research has shown that individuals are more likely to commit crimes in large groups or when they believe they will not be held accountable for their actions. Understanding the factors that contribute to the bystander effect can help develop strategies to encourage prosocial behaviors and discourage criminal activities. 10. The power of rehabilitation. While punishment has traditionally been the primary focus of the criminal justice system, research has shown that rehabilitation programs can be highly effective in reducing criminal behavior. These programs, which focus on addressing the underlying causes of criminality, such as substance abuse, mental health issues, and lack of education or employment opportunities, have been shown to significantly reduce recidivism rates. By emphasizing rehabilitation over punishment, it may be possible to create a more effective and humane criminal justice system that reduces crime and supports individuals in turning their lives around. Conclusion. Criminal psychology is a complex and intriguing field that sheds light on the various factors that contribute to criminal behavior. From the influence of childhood trauma and substance abuse to the role of mental health and the power of rehabilitation, these 10 mind-blowing facts highlight the importance of understanding the criminal mind in order to develop more effective strategies for preventing crime and rehabilitating offenders. By recognizing the interplay of psychological, social, and biological factors in criminal behavior, we can work towards a more informed and compassionate approach to criminal justice.